Food is an essential part of our daily lives, but not all food is created equal. Opening short of healthy, fresh fruits and vegetables. Eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can provide the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants our bodies need to function at their best. Short of a person cooking a meal with fresh ingredients. Preparing meals at home with whole, unprocessed foods is one of the best ways to ensure we are getting the nutrients our bodies need. Short of a person sitting down to enjoy a home cooked meal. But it's not just about what we eat, it's also about how we eat. Taking the time to sit down and enjoy our meals without distractions can help us savor the flavors and appreciate the food we're consuming. Closing short of a plate of healthy, delicious looking food. So let's make a commitment to nourishing our bodies with good food and saving every bite.